Hello everyone, Brooke Goebel here with Purdue Extension in Pike County. With the weather being nicer, it is the perfect opportunity to grill out. So today I'm going to demonstrate a recipe that I think you guys are going to really enjoy. It is called foil packs, or some of you may know as hobo dinners. This is the perfect recipe for your family because not only can you make a large pack and feed everybody in your household, but you can also make smaller packs and individualize them so everybody gets what they like. It is a super easy recipe, and you probably already have most of the items already in your fridge. If you don't have a grill, that's okay, because you can also use your oven. So pull out your grill and come grill out with me today.
So I'm going to be making individual packs because my husband and I like very different things. So first you're going to get out all your ingredients that you would like to put in your pack. Meat-wise, you can do sausage, you can do shrimp, you can do chicken, steak, you can do anything in any combination. And then get out any of your veggies. So today I have some sausage and shrimp, and then I have a different assortment of veggies and potatoes that I'm going to be mixing in. So for each pack, you're going to put one pack into a bowl. So you're going to put all of your ingredients in, and then we'll mix them all up and then put them onto the foil. So I'm going to throw some ingredients in. So sausage and some shrimp. Of course, it's your judgment on how much you want to add into it. A few peppers because I need to get them out of my fridge because they're starting to get kind of bad. Some zucchini and squash. I have some carrots. And then potatoes. Like I said, you can put however much your desire is because it's your pack for yourself. Of course, it's probably going to make a lot, so you can have it for a lunch, you can have it for dinner, whatever you prefer. Once you have everything in your bowl, you're going to put some olive oil on, whatever your preference is, just enough to where it can get it covered. Put some garlic powder. Typically, you want about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. Of course, your preference. Same with onion powder, about a teaspoon to half a teaspoon. And do some oregano, and that will be about a half a teaspoon as well. I like oregano, so I put a little extra for myself. And then basil, about a half a teaspoon as well. You're going to sprinkle some salt and pepper just on top for taste. Then you're going to mix it all together. Okay, once you have it all mixed, you're going to get some foil out, and then you're going to put a little bit of canned spray on it. And then you're going to put your ingredients on your foil. Okay, and then you're going to try and wrap it up nice and tight. And mine's a little bit full just because I'm going to have it for dinner as well as lunch today. Try to get 2 meals out of it. So then once you have it all wrapped up, and then you're going to put it on the grill. So I'm going to make my other pack real quick, and then we'll get them out on the grill. When you have your packs made, you're going to put them on the grill. The grill should be set about 400 degrees or like a medium heat. And you're going to have them on there for about 15 minutes. And then halfway through, we're going to flip them. So I just flipped them over. They were in there for about 8 minutes. I'm going to give them 7 more minutes. If you are using your oven, you're going to use 350 degrees. And you're going to be in there for 30 minutes. All right, I just took these packs off of the grill, and they look delicious. You may need to put them on there for more than 15 minutes just to make sure that all of the veggies are fully cooked. They're not crunchy. I think I had these on for about 3 more minutes just to make sure that the carrots and potatoes were fully cooked. So try it out and let me know what you put in your packs.